Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar played a pivotal role in the Dalit movement in India, fighting against the caste system and advocating for the rights of the marginalized communities, especially the Dalits, formerly known as untouchables. His leadership was instrumental in mobilizing Dalits towards achieving social, political, and economic equality. Ambedkar's key contributions to the Dalit movement include 1. Education and empowerment. 2. Annihilation of caste. 3. Political mobilization. 4. Constitutional reforms. His vision and relentless efforts gave rise to a mass movement, transforming the status of Dalits in modern India. Thank you.